Hey gearheads and road warriors, buckle up, because we're taking a deep dive into the 2024 GMC Yukon, a beast that redefines the full-size SUV experience. Whether you're hauling the family, conquering the wilderness, or just cruising in style, the Yukon is ready to take on the challenge. This isn't your average soccer mom mobile. The Yukon's imposing silhouette commands attention with its bold grille, sculpted lines, and optional 22-inch wheels. Choose from the Denali trim for chrome accents and premium finishes, or go for the sporty AT4 with its rugged off-road upgrades. No matter your preference, the Yukon cuts an impressive figure on any road. Step inside and prepare to be pampered. The Yukon's cabin is a sanctuary of luxury and technology. Plush leather seats, heated and ventilated for front and rear passengers, embrace you in comfort. The panoramic sunroof bathes the interior in natural light, while the Bose-registered premium audio system surrounds you in rich sound. And for the driver, a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and 10.2-inch touchscreen put everything at your fingertips. Dynamic footage of the Yukon accelerating, towing a trailer, and navigating off-road terrain. But the Yukon isn't just about looks and comfort, it's got the muscle to match. Choose from a powerful 6.2 liters V8 engine or a fuel-efficient 3.0 liters Duramax A-registered diesel, both mated to a smooth shifting 10-speed automatic transmission. Whether you're towing your boat to the lake or tackling a mountain pass, the Yukon delivers confident performance and impressive capability. And for the ultimate off-road adventurer, the AT4 trim comes equipped with a 2-speed transfer case, off-road suspension, and all-terrain tires to conquer any challenge. The Yukon doesn't just get you there, it makes the journey effortless. Standard Super Cruise Sense semi-autonomous driving technology takes the wheel on compatible highways, allowing you to relax and enjoy the ride. A suite of safety features, including automatic emergency braking and lane departure warning, keeps you and your loved ones protected. And for the ultimate convenience, the Yukon comes available with a wireless charging pad, Apple CarPlay A-registered and Android Auto Sense, and a rear seat entertainment system to keep everyone happy. So, is the 2024 GMC Yukon the right SUV for you? If you demand a vehicle that seamlessly blends luxury, capability, and cutting-edge technology, then the answer is a resounding yes. The Yukon is more than just a mode of transportation, it's an extension of your adventurous spirit, a statement of your refined taste, and a testament to your appreciation for the finer things in life. Thanks for watching and subscribe to my YouTube channel SK Car Updates.